Hello there and welcome to this week's IMTV, a Mines and Money special. Coming up, Mines and Money kicks off in London, potash market uncertainty continues, and excitement over new potential use for graphene. First today, this week saw the Mines and Money convention come to London. The event, which last year was dubbed Mines and No Money, showed some signs of optimism. A strong message from keynote speaker and Sprott US Holdings founder Rick Rule was, "You've all endured the pain, now get ready for the gain." It wasn't immediately obvious when this gain would happen, but there were talks on how to make the mining market recover from what has been a very tough few years. During a lively roundtable discussion, investors from several different US banks and funds suggested that there had to be a shake-up of the mining industry in order to see the really great projects around. Pundits said people are still key to ensuring the development of a project and the overall health of the industry, with experience in bringing a miner to market mattering more than the resource itself. But despite the positivity, the view on the floor was that the market is still pretty depressed for junior miners, with one explorer telling IM the market is broken. Russia's Uralchem has announced it will take a 20% stake in Uralkali. It came on the same day the potash giant revealed it would be keeping Vladislav Baumgartner on its board of directors, despite the fact he remains under house arrest. Uralchem will acquire the collective 11.8% stake of two of Uralkali's shareholders. They are Filaret Galchev and Anatoly Skurov. It didn't reveal how much it paid for the shares or where the additional stake would come from. The announcement follows the news that Russian tycoon Mikhail Prokhorov is to buy a 21.75% stake from Suleiman Kerimov. In a further blow to the industry this week, PotashCorp outlined plans to cut 1,000 jobs due to bearish market conditions. The biggest cuts will be in Canada, where around 400 people will lose their jobs. And finally, UK scientists have embarked on developing graphene for making thinner and stronger condoms. A research team from the University of Manchester has received a grant of $100,000 from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to make the contraceptives out of the nano-carbon. The challenge laid down by the foundation was to combat the male perspective that condoms decrease pleasure by developing condoms that are more desirable to use. Graphene has been put forward as a material thanks to its remarkable strength and extreme thinness with just a single layer of carbon atoms. According to a report by Columbia University, it would take an elephant balanced on a pencil to break through a sheet of graphene the thickness of cling film. Interesting stuff. And on that note, we end this week's IMTV. If you do have any comments or feedback, we'd love to hear from you. You can contact us via Twitter @Indmin or on our website www.indmin.com. Until next time though, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.